Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting progress. Back up your Wuthering Waves game files and saves now, because edits can break states. Once done, enable developer access or open the install folder on PC or Android File Manager, so you can edit configuration files directly. Make sure to locate the transparency filter entry. Look for shader, post-process, or UI alpha keywords in graphics or UI config files, because that specific value controls the filter you will change in the next step. You now perform the core edit. Open the identified config in a plain text editor using UTF-8, then search for transparency, alpha, or filter keywords. Change the numeric alpha to 1, 0, or 100% and disable multiplicative blend flags so the filter is effectively removed. Once you save the file, set file permissions to read-only to prevent auto-overriding, and keep a note of the original value. This makes rollback simple if the change creates visual issues or crashes. You finish by clearing the game and shader cache, then restarting Wuthering Waves so your edits take effect. This forces the engine to reload configs. If visuals break or the UI vanishes, restore your backup immediately, revert the alpha to the original value, or reinstall the specific shader files you modified. One key troubleshooting tip: always check for game updates, because a patch may overwrite your edits. Make sure to reapply the fix after patches, and keep a copy of your modified file for quick restoration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.